Hello, hello again. So this is question number 2 for Mad Minutes 36, area and perimeter, okay? So this one is another example of a compound shape. Compound shape meaning two or more shapes put together. So you need to be a geometry detective to find out exactly what kind of shapes are put together. So basically, if you look at this shape, you will see that there is a semicircle, a half circle. Okay, why did that do that? A half circle. And there also is a trapezium. Okay, so there are two shapes in it. Okay, so you have the trapezium and the semicircle. Okay, so what would the formula be? So area of the compound shape is equal to the area of the trapezium, so I'm just going to copy the shape, plus area of a half circle. Okay, so this is a trapezium. Now some of you did it the long way and put a line over here. Now you have three shapes. You have a rectangle, triangle, and a semicircle. But you will see either way you will come out with the same answer. Okay? So let's continue. Let me just make this a little bit thicker. So all we need to do is to substitute what is the formula for trapezium. Bracket a plus b times height over 2 plus half circle. Now we know a full circle is pi r squared, and we only need half of a full circle, so we divide it by 2. Then we solve by substitution. A, okay, in a trapezium, A is the top and B is the bottom. Remember what I told you before? This is the height, okay? Where the height points are the two bases. So this is one base, this is another base, okay? So that's A, which is 12 inches, plus B, which is 24 inches, times height over 2. Please do not forget to divide by 2, okay? That's one of the biggest ways you make a mistake, if you forget to divide by 2, okay? So plus pi, we know pi is 3.14 r. So let me just erase it so you will see that the given unit is the radius, okay? Because it's half, it goes from the center point to the outer point of the circle, okay? So it's 9 inches squared over 2. Please do not forget the over 2. Okay? So let's continue. So this becomes, oh, I forgot to put in the height. Okay? So what is the height? The height is 13 inches. 13 inches. Okay? So continue. We have 36 inches times 13 inches over 2 plus 3.14 bracket 81 inches squared, okay, divided by 2. So let's calculate this. 36 times 13 equals 468, okay, divided by 2. Remember the unit, inches squared, 1, 2, 2 inches, okay, so inches squared, plus 3.14 times 81 gives you 253.34 divided by 2. Okay? So, what's next? Okay, 254.34, sorry. Okay? So, we divide by 2. So this becomes 127.17, and 468 divided by 2 is 234 inches squared. Okay, inches squared. and we add them together, and you get 361.17 inches squared as the area of this shape. Okay? So what I did, I just figured out which formulas I need to use. First, I look at what shapes make up the compound shape, and then I look at the formula of each shape, and then I just substitute. Okay? Now let's look at the perimeter. So again, let's look at the original shape. Remember, perimeter is the outline, okay? We do not include the inside, only the outside. So this, okay, this is part of the perimeter, okay? Do not include this, no, because it's inside. We want the outside, okay? We want the outline of the shape. So what do you see? We see, okay, let me just put a dotted line there, because you see we need the circumference of half a circle, okay? So we know the length of this. This is 12 inches, 13 inches, 24 inches, okay? But we also need the circumference, okay? So how do we write the formula? Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides plus circumference 2 pi r divided by 2. Why did I use 2 pi r? Because this is the radius, 9 is the radius. Why did I divide by 2? Because I only need half the circumference, okay? Because the inside is not included. This is not included. We only need this outer part. We only need this part. That's why it's circumference divided by 2. Okay? Let's substitute. We have 12 inches plus 13 inches plus 24 inches plus 2, 3.14 are 9 inches over 2. Okay? So 12 plus 13 is 25 plus 24 is 49 inches. Plus, let's calculate 2 times pi times 9 gives you 56.52 inches over 2. Okay, so let's divide that by 2. So you have 49 inches plus 28.26 inches equals 49, 77.26 inches. Okay, so the perimeter, okay, this area, broom, 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 is 77.26, while the area is 361.17 inches squared. Okay? Please do your best to be geometry detectives. Once you figured out what makes the shape, the compound shape, and then you use your analytical skills to figure out which formulas you need, then it's all about substituting and being accurate when you're doing your calculations. Okay? Hope this helped you a lot. Okay? Bye-bye.